Hey Susan, how's it going? This is Matt Porter, your sales and leasing consultant here at Handy Chevrolet in St. Albans, Vermont. I just wanted to follow up with you. I know the certified Bolt, I did end up selling that to someone else, but I do have two brand new 2022s Bolt EV Premiers. So these ones are fully loaded. They have the leather, heated steering wheel, remote start, heated and cooled seats. So this is the 2022. It's got the safety features here on the side of the mirrors, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a little bit different than the older body style. All those are push buttons on the center right there. Of course, it's got the big backup camera. But there's a good amount of room back here. There's charging for the backseat passengers. The second row is even heated, as you can see right there too. Cool interior. It's kind of like a bluish leather, very sharp looking. They really did a great job in the new 2022s. I'll just give you a walk around real quick. It's a lot more, I think, more sharper look to it. And then I'm pretty sure, like I said, I have a blue one, I think. I know someone was looking at that, so I'm not sure if that's still available. But I'll show you the back real quick here. How do I open those? Oh, down here. Little privacy shade area. There's your charger that comes with the vehicle, and the nice big storage compartment underneath here. Of course, these seats do go down if you need the extra storage room too. Don't forget, when you lease or purchase new here at Handy Chevy, you do get 3 years of free handy care. So you do get 3 oil changes, 3 tire rotations, and 3 Vermont state inspections for free. Let me know if you want to come up and drive one of these new ones. We can give you a great deal on them. I'd love to see you here. Let's get you to drive one. And let me know if you have any questions too. I'm here to help. 802-528-2149. And then you already have my email, mporter@handycars.com. Thanks again, Susan. Hope all is well, and I'll talk to you soon.